Expert witnesses are usually scrutinized when it comes to their expertise because that's the foundation of their testimony. So it's pretty normal that the opposing party would try to prove their credibility as false. However, it seems like Amber's expert witness, Dr. David Spiegel, didn't like it when Depp's lawyer questioned his educational background and started arguing to defend his reputation.
Numbers add up like that? Because I'm not sure if that's the case. If you take 25%, then maybe 12.5% of my practice, that's being rather specific. So again, a significant number of my patients have suffered from intimate partner violence. I see it on a daily basis, and I'm not sure exactly why I'm getting asked the same question again. Okay. Thank you, sir.
So, how did Dr. Spiegel snap at Depp's lawyers? And will his actions affect his credibility as an expert? Let's see and find out. Elaine, Amber's lawyer, made their expert witness testify about Johnny's behavior and how that was connected with his alleged drug use. On the other hand, Depp's team decided to fight it the other way and targeted the psychiatrist's credibility by mentioning his board certificates and other credentials mentioned during the direct examination. Dr. Spiegel actually took the effort and explained it calmly to the court. But little did everyone know that this would be the last time he would remain calm on the witness stand. Things went downhill after Depp's lawyer asked him whether he was able to do substantial research about the matter he was testifying on. Look at Dr. Spiegel's face when he heard the question.
You've never conducted any empirical research on individuals who experienced intimate partner violence, have you, sir?
If your definition is trials, is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Like pharmaceutical trials, or what are you saying? Is that what you're saying? Because I've done review articles on patients who suffered from trauma. So the answer is, I haven't done any studies like where you give them medication for treatment or try one treatment versus another. I've reviewed the body of literature on intimate partner violence to get 2 review articles, yes.
Now, watch how he reacts to the following questions, which he obviously didn't like.
I have to disagree with you on that, sir. Reading about it and writing a review article are completely 2 different things, sir.
All right. You haven't authored any
articles, yes.
So you've read about it. What is temporomandibular?
Temporomandibular disease is a problem with oral issues, yeah, but there are many patients who complain of oral issues where the oral surgeon cannot find a reason for it, and the reason why they can't is because people who have suffered from trauma and intimate partner violence are prone to increased sensitivity of somatic sensations, which can manifest in temporomandibular disease. Thank you, I appreciate that. Nice plug for my book, too, thank you.
Depp's lawyer continued to rub more salt on the wound when he once again pointed out that Amber's expert witness hadn't written any books about the subject matter of his testimony, which again was a hard blow to his credibility as an expert witness.
Is there any professional literature that you've contributed to relative to IPV specifically as opposed to trauma generally?
The answer to the question again, sir, is that you cannot separate this artificial separation you are trying to do between trauma and intimate partner violence. It is part and parcel of trauma. We don't thread it like that.
When asked again about the number of articles he was able to publish, Dr. Spiegel is visibly getting annoyed and even challenged Johnny's lawyer just to prove his point. Now, you can clearly see him losing his cool.
You listed 60 references to articles. I guess you said 80 now, and publications.
I said around 80.
60, 80, whatever it is, right?
No, 60 and 80 is not. If you go to the PubMed, actually, you go to PubMed right now and Google, not Google, put PubMed Spiegel DR, and you'll find that number is 72 with 2 waiting to be impressed. 1 submitted, so that'd be 75. So I said around 80.
However, it seems like the last straw was when Depp's lawyer pointed out that Dr. Spiegel didn't put IPV or intimate partner violence, which he claims that he is an expert in, on his credentials, which clearly contradicted his statements about having a lot of experience when it comes to that field.
And IPV doesn't appear in your CV at all.
If you say it's not in my CV, I will believe you.
Okay.
There's a lot of things that are not in my CV that I do. So.
And to seal the deal, Johnny's lawyer ended his cross by emphasizing that their side would not accept Amber's witness as an expert in the field of IPV, as was put on the record.
Your Honor, plaintiff would accept this witness as an expert on general psychiatry, and with respect to the drug usage issues that Ms. Bredehoff referenced, but not with respect to IPV.
All right, over objection, he's entered as an expert as
Whoa, it's a pretty intense cross, right? How about you? Do you think Depp's team successfully demolished Amber's expert? And how will this cross-examination affect the outcome of the case? Let us know in the comments below.